is lunchtime now. I stop my work for lunch. I feel a little hungry. My stomach wants some food. I look at the clock now. It is 12 o'clock. I close my laptop slowly. I stand up from my desk. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms a bit. I feel tired but happy. It is time to eat. It is lunchtime now. I eat my lunch today. I take my time to eat. I feel relaxed and calm. It is lunchtime now. I enjoy this simple meal. I eat and take a break. I feel good and relaxed. I walk to the lunch area. I see people eating food. Some people talk together. Some people eat alone. I choose a simple lunch, rice and some vegetables. I like simple, healthy food. It makes me feel good. I sit down at the table. I put my phone away. I look at my lunch slowly. I feel calm and ready. It is lunchtime now. I eat my lunch today. I take my time to eat. I feel relaxed and calm. It is lunchtime now. I enjoy this simple meal. I eat and take a break. I feel good and relaxed. I take my first bite. The food tastes very nice. I chew my food slowly. I enjoy every bite. I drink some water now. I breathe and slow down. I forget my work problems. I stay in the moment. Lunchtime helps me rest. Lunchtime clears my mind. I feel less stress now. I feel more alive. This break is very small, but it helps me a lot. I smile to myself. I feel thankful now. It is lunchtime now. I eat my lunch today. I take my time to eat. I feel relaxed and calm. It is lunchtime now. I enjoy this simple meal. I eat and take a break. I feel good and relaxed. I finish all my food. I feel full and warm. I clean my table slowly. I stand up again. I feel ready to work. My mind feels more clear. A short lunch break helps. My afternoon feels better. Lunchtime is simple. Lunchtime is good. I eat and take a break. I feel